What is going on, everybody? How's it going? So I did get a phone call from FlexTools about this FX1472. They are replacing this because it is not supposed to make this sound. I also have the sound on the previous little short video I made, I should say. I also have here a FX1451 mid-torque half-inch. I have a FX1431 half-inch compact and a FX1431A 3/8 compact tool. I got 2 amp hour stacked batteries on these three, and I have a 2.5 amp hour on the FX1472 half-inch high torque. So the high torque does have a weird, loud, high-pitched bearing noise that they did confirm that is not supposed to make that noise. So I'm just going to demonstrate all of these tools just to show you guys what they all sound like. All three of these sound relatively the same. So here's this one right here. That meow, and with the kind of sounds like a grinding bearing. It's not supposed to make that sound according to FlexTools. So here is this one right here. Here is the mid-torque half-inch. Does not make that noise, that loud bearing noise. Here is the half-inch compact. Let me put it in high. The other two are in high. Does not make that noise at all. And here is the 3/8 compact that I originally did with this high torque in that video. So again, 3/8 compact, half-inch compact, 3/8 compact on the bench. It's going to reverberate it off the bench. Mid-torque, half-inch mid-torque, and then the high torque. The high torque is the one that has the weird noise. It's only when you let off the trigger that you hear this noise. So I just wanted to give that information. Flex does make the process of replacement very easy. So they informed me today that they will be sending me another high torque. And then I just keep the packaging on the one that I receive. I put this guy in the box, and then they will be sending me an email with a QR code to take to a UPS store. You go to the UPS store, take the package in, they'll print the label for you, put it on the box, and then it's shipped back. And then what you need to do next is you need to call Flex and give them the new serial number that's on the one that they sent you, so that they can update it on your actual kit or your actual serial number. So that way they remove the old serial number for the tool that you sent back, and then they put this serial number underneath that registered tool's information. This high torque came in a kit, so the serial numbers are no longer going to match. You know, the battery, the 280 watt battery, this tool serial number, and the 6 amp hour or 280 watt charger, not battery. The 6 amp hour stacked lithium battery and this tool all had matching serial numbers, so no, your serial number is not going to match anymore. But I will be getting a tool that does not make this sound. And this tool's never been used other than me pulling the trigger on the bench showing this. The first short little 55-second video was actually requested by Flex. It is not supposed to make this sound. That's why they're replacing it. So Hope the video was helpful, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next one.